So this is what's happening in my life right now. Nice. Hey everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to day 5 of Vlogmas, where I am uploading a new video every day right up until the 24th of December. And it's quite a challenge, let me tell you. So the thing is, as you can see, obviously it's dark outside. There's a lot going on right now because I'm about to head out the door pretty much. So full disclosure, this is not the video that I had planned to upload for you guys today. I had a completely different video in mind, but I physically could not get it filmed and uploaded and ready for you guys in time. So we're going with plan B, which is kind of like an off the cuff stitching together of a bunch of things in a Frankenstein kind of manner. So what I've done is I've taken some unused vlog footage from me going around and about in Bahrain and exploring and doing different things that wasn't long enough to make into each individual vlog in a standalone way, and I've smushed them together into one video. That way that vlog footage isn't going to go to waste because I think some of it's quite good, and also it means that we have a video to put out tonight because we're really down to the wire. So it's 3 different days. We have the time that Abida and I got lost all night looking for a restaurant, and the time that we went shopping for our marine ball gowns, and the time that we went to the Christmas fair, which was actually only a couple of days ago. So I'm gonna shut up and let you get on with the vlogs, but I wanted to explain what the heck this video was because it is a little bit random, but I hope you guys enjoy. I'm not gonna rant.
You need to rant.
I need to introduce the vlog first.
No, you need to rant and then introduce the vlog.
Hey everyone! And cheers to the freaking weekend, because it's Thursday, which if you live in the GCC means it's the start of the weekend. So many people are like, make a weekend vlog of Bahrain, vlog your time in Bahrain. And I, as you guys know, I always say this, I'm always like, why do you want to watch these vlogs? Because it's mostly just me and Abida doing stupid things and talking about stupid things, and that's exactly what this is going to be, starting with this, which is we're getting ready to go out tonight, and my jeans, I broke my jeans. When I was pulling them up with the belt loop, I ripped the belt loop off. That's how tight I wear my skinny jeans, that I break them trying to get them over my butt. So I'm wearing Abida's jeans right now, but she wore them to Big Texas last night, and there's mac and cheese all over the crotch. I just have a crotch full of mac and cheese. Can you explain yourself why you have so much mac and cheese in your crotch?
I don't even remember dropping any mac and cheese, but it was all over my shirt.
How does one person drop so much mac and cheese?
I don't even remember dropping any mac and cheese.
So I'm in the process of trying to scrub off this mac and cheese so I can steal her jeans, because right now my 2 options are jeans with a hole or jeans with cheese. So it's looking up for me. Okay, let's start scrubbing this mac and cheese. This right here, me scrubbing mac and cheese off someone else's jeans, is why when people comment on my Instagram and say, your life is so glamorous, I'm like, you just don't even know. I am the least glamorous person in the world, especially in this moment. So right now, we are getting ready to go out for dinner, and then we're gonna meet some of our friends tonight. That'll be fun. Okay, so we are pretty much ready to go for dinner. We are only 20 minutes late, which is a new record for us. I'm not even doing my hair today. Does anyone mind? Can everyone deal with that? Because my hair has been through a lot recently, and I feel like it just does not need to be clamped onto a curling wand again tonight. We're going to this place we've never been to before. It's called the Sherlock Holmes pub. It's in the Gulf Hotel. I've been to the Gulf Hotel once before, but that was only for about 5 minutes, and it was in a completely different part of the hotel. So we'll see. I need to stop vlogging now because I cannot possibly do up my sandals and hold this camera at the same time. So
oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down.
We're wandering around this hotel right now. It's too fancy for us, and it's big. There's corridors everywhere. We don't know where this place is. There's a piano player. It's too fancy. No, this fancy. We're not. We're openly not this fancy. Okay, we're going back down the stairs because apparently we weren't in the right place. And people are openly judging us, and it's fine because we don't care. We're going back up the stairs because we're so lost.
It's been there 20 minutes. I haven't even found the restaurant yet.
Just going back down the stairs, don't mind us. I think that we actually know where we're going this time. We've asked about 5 people and we've been wandering around for a long time, but hey, I think we're actually gonna get there eventually. Fingers crossed. If you look under this tree, you can see the magnifying glass.
Ooh, yes, we found it.
Yes!
It only took us half an hour.
Winning! Okay, so the place we're going to, I don't know if I've already said this once, is the Sherlock Holmes pub. We have to be quite the detective to find it, don't you? Because we've been wandering around for half an hour at this point. To the Sherlock Holmes pub. Hooray! It's really nice in here actually, and for all that it has a very fancy vibe, it's very reasonably priced. Why is he just at this corner? What is he doing?
Flying like he was before.
This is the weirdest route that anyone's ever taken because he started off up here.
No, over there.
Over there. And now he's come all the way past us, down here, around, over here again, and then back up. Okay, so it is 2 o'clock on a Friday, so I've clearly not done a great job of vlogging this morning. It's a Saturday. Thank you. It's a Saturday, not a Friday. I have, from a few weeks ago, the first half, bless you, the first half of a vlog, of a weekend vlog that never got finished due to unforeseen circumstances. So I just figure I'll stick the first half of that vlog onto today because I feel like today could be quite a fun day because we are going shopping. Yeah. As I was saying in the elevator, we are going shopping and we're about to spend all of our money because so 2 of our best friends here in Bahrain are in the US Marines and they're having a ball and they were like, you want to come? And we were like, you know what, we got no money and we really need to stop drinking on the weekends, but yes, we will go. So this morning I spent $80 on a ticket to the ball and now I'm about to go spend all my money on a dress, bag, shoes. I need hair, I need nails, I need to be like my best self. It's very important.
You're more invested than I am. 190 BD. I'll have 190 BD.
My room is a complete and utter disaster. It looks like a hurricane has swept through here. I appreciate that. That is just because I went to brunch yesterday and brunch has this effect on me. I just come in from brunch and like throw everything everywhere. So there's that. But it's time for our Advent. Yes. So I know I'm definitely way ahead with my Advent calendar. I'm fully aware of that. But that's because Abida and I decided to have our Advent calendars not counting down to Christmas, but counting down to the day that we fly home for Christmas, because otherwise we're just gonna have a lot of leftover Advents that we don't ever open. So this works for me. So plans for this afternoon are to head to the British Club, which I've never been to before, despite clearly being British. But they have a Christmas market and we're trying to do all the festive things that we can possibly find. So I have no idea what this is going to entail, don't know what to expect, but should be festive. So let's go.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me.
You really don't like it.
No, why is there cinnamon?
I don't know. I don't know. So we are here. Ta-da! And I got mulled wine, but it is heavy on the cinnamon, and I don't like cinnamon. I've never had mulled wine that is quite this cinnamony, but whatever, it's mulled wine and it's Christmas, so that's fine. How often do you get to sit by the side of a pool in like 25-degree heat and drink your mulled wine? I can't be normal. It's too difficult for me. In other news, Abida just sat here for like 20 minutes and took 40 pictures for me to get one picture that is like halfway decent enough for Instagram. I don't know, I'm just such an awkward person. And anytime I try and take a picture, my hands want to do weird things. And she's like, put your hands away, stop looking like that with your eyes. I'm just not a natural model. I'm trying my best. Goodbye, Christmas lights.
Oh, it's adorable.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed those vlogs. Like I said, a little bit of a random mismatch, but I'm rolling with the punches. Don't know if you've noticed, but I'm not exactly organized to this Vlogmas like I have been in the past. But I hope this video was okay for you guys. Like I said, it wasn't what I had planned, but we're just working with what we got. If you did enjoy this video for all its randomness, then please go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and for those of you who have already subscribed, thank you guys so much. You are my oddballs and I love you. Don't forget to pop back tomorrow for more Vlogmas fun. May or may not be organized in some way. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.